Hey guys, it's the time again. I'm going to bleach my hair. Last time I bleached my hair has been over a year, so it's August now, and the last time I bleached my hair was not this July but the July before. So it has been 1 year and 1 month since I bleached my hair. My hair is actually very healthy right now because even my curls are back, and I'm going to ruin it again because I love ruining my hair. It's the first time I'm going to try this one out. Directions Hair Lightening Kit volume 40. It should be good for me because it's volume 40 and that's good for dark hair. So I have pretty dark hair, as you can see. The last time I actually dyed my hair blue is last August, so this is actually a year ago, and look how blue it's still looking. You can see how fast my hair is actually growing because last time I bleached my hair, like, it's the blue in the ends because that's the bleached hair. I'm going to take the braids out and then you can see how it actually is looking because I've had braids now for 2 days. As you can see, my hair has grown a lot. Like, look, it's like until here. Like, the blue is the bleached part. So here you can see how fast my hair has been growing. It's a goodbye blue. I've been blue for 3 years. I haven't done any other colors in my hair. So it's going to be weird because I'm actually bleaching my hair because I'm going for a new color. So I'm pretty excited for that. I can't wait to see the result. But first, it's bleach time. So it's time to ruin my hair again. Yay! But First, I put my t-shirt on that I always bleach with. As you can see, it's already been used many times for bleaching. Let's see how the package is looking, of course. I have no clue where to put it. It's the first time I'm filming in this bathroom, so that's kind of tricky. If I put it this low, can you still see it? I bought 2 packages because I've had lots of hair. I have really thick hair, so I guess 2 packages will be enough, hopefully. Normally it's always 2 packages, so I should be fine. Let's see what's inside of it. So, okay. Powder bleach. Then probably this is to like whisk the product. I think these are some gloves. Wait, what's this? Oh no, it's for the hair. Wait. This is this is a cap for your hair to put your hair in. Like, okay. Then cream peroxide volume 40. So probably we have to mix these two, like the powder with that. Then, oh, these are the gloves. Yeah, some gloves. Very important gloves. Yeah. And then you got some, what's this? Moisturizing shampoo. So probably this for afterwards. So maybe my hair wouldn't be that ruined because we're going to moisturize it after bleaching. Ooh. There's also like a brush, instructions on how to do it. And then this is probably to mix everything in. Oh yeah. So we can mix it in and then put it on the hair. I already have a video up on bleaching my hair, so I think I'm not going to show you the whole process on how I'm putting the bleach in my hair because that's pretty boring, honestly. Like, it's just taking hair, putting the dye in, next step, like next hair, putting dye in, next hair, putting dye in. It's pretty boring to see, right? So I'm just going to show you once everything is in it, and then the result, of course, because that's the most important part, like how it's going to look. I'll see you back once the bleach is in, and then we'll see. It's really thick. So the whole bleach is in my hair. Like, you saw how it looked. It looked really thick. Like, normally it's always more liquidy, and this time it was really thick. So it was more difficult to apply though, but it's all in and it's working really fast. It only has been in my hair now for 10 minutes or something, and it's doing its job. Oh yeah. Now I'm going to check every few minutes and see how it looks, and then once it's how I want it to be, I'm going to rinse it out. Let's see how many minutes it's going to take. It has been about 20 minutes now, and it's actually looking pretty decent in my eyes. I don't know, it's looking goldish, is that even a word? But yeah, it's not brown at all anymore. Like, I can see the difference. Like, this is like volume 40. Yeah, it's doing much more stuff than the other products that I've used in the past. It's working faster. Like, I'm really surprised on how fast it's working. It has been around 40-50 minutes, Now I guess it's time to rinse it out because I'm afraid to leave it in for longer, honestly. Like, there are still some parts that look darker, but I probably have to go for a second bleach in. I always have to bleach at least 2 times. Like, normally I bleach around 3 times, but maybe this time it's going to be 2 times because it's actually looking like I've bleached it 2 times already. So it's actually lifted pretty good. I'm really happy, honestly. It's lifting really, really good. It's really strong, and also, like, normally I feel my scalp like itching and doing stuff, and this time it only felt like for a bit, and I'm not feeling anything at all anymore. So it's not hurting or anything. I finally took the cap off because I just wanted to see how it looked, just to be sure. This is how it's looking. It's it's looking pretty decent. Oof, it feels really, really hot, honestly. I just got out of the shower, I rinsed it all out, and this is how it's looking. This is actually looking like a second bleach. This doesn't even look like a first bleach for me, because normally I'm much more orangey, like dark orange, and now it's actually like more to the lighter side. So I'm actually very pleased. As you can see, some parts are still more dark. I've had issues with mosquitoes in the room. As you can see, I have lots of mosquito bites. Oh, it's hurting so much. I'm actually going to try to use some purple shampoo. So I'm going to use this purple shampoo. Ooh. I'm going to use this purple shampoo that I still had left here. It's actually pretty old, so I don't know if it's still going to work, honestly, because this, I think it's from 2 years ago or something. So I'm going to try this purple shampoo from 2 years ago, if it's still working. Let's see. Let me see if I can show you, maybe like this. Yellow orangey. I'm getting like vibes from Catherine, like the actress from Clary and Shadowhunters TV show. She also has kinda this color. The only thing is that the roots are much lighter, so it's going to look maybe awful. Let's just tone it down and see if it's actually going to do something, because maybe it's doing nothing because it's so old. And then we'll look at the results. I actually like this. I don't know why, but I'm honestly digging this color. I'm going to bleach it one more time though, but I'm really liking it. I'm really surprised how much I've been actually enjoying this color. It's not that bad. It's been now a few days since I've bleached my hair. This is how it's looking right now. I'm going to see if I can try to find some light. This is like in the sunlight, it looks like this. You know what I'm more surprised about? That this time, actually, bleached hair is not looking that bad. Normally, I never go outside when I have bleached hair or I stream. And this time I've streamed, I've been outside. It's kind of decent. It could have been worse, right? Like, it's not that bad. Like, there's only one bleach. It has been less than a week now, and it's already looking like it's already growing out so fast. I'm going to bleach my hair again, and this time I'm going to use this. So this is the Syoss Professional Performance Oleo Intense Powered Lightener in Silverblond, and it has anti-yellow effect, so I hope it will be good. It can lift up to 7 levels, so hopefully that will be enough for the new dye that I'm going to use. I'm going for purple hair. Like, my whole plan changed, because when I actually started to bleach my hair the first time, I was going for a new color. And then the day after I bleached my hair, I got Twitch partnered. And the thing is, I promised my community I would go for Twitch purple hair if I would get Twitch partnered. And I got Twitch partnered, so now I have to go for purple. So the plan changed, and I'm actually going for purple hair now. So for the purple, I actually bought color crazy colors. I bought hot purple and I bought violet. I'm going to be mixing these two, maybe with some conditioner to like get the perfect purple. Like, I need to go for Twitch purple. Then we will be putting it in the hair, and then hopefully it will be Twitch purple. Because I know like sometimes it looks like different in the hair. So I hope I will be getting the right shade in the hair. But yeah, we'll see how that turns out. And otherwise we can redo it, right? We can always redo it. Also, the bleach I used was actually pretty good. It wasn't that damaging. Like, of course bleach is damaging. Like, I know it's damaging. But my hair is still healthier than normally. Normally, when I bleach my hair, my curls are totally gone. And right now, as you can see, I still have some curls. Like, it's still there. I guess everything is helping now. Like, I'm taking much more care about my hair now. Normally I would have just bleached immediately again the same day, but this time I actually waited a few days for it to like rest a bit, get a bit of a grow out again, it seems. It has been in my hair now for about 40 minutes, so I guess I'm going to rinse it out. It's looking pretty good. So I just rinsed it out and here it's looking so white. I've never been this light ever, I think. It has, like, if everything would have been like this, it would have been so amazing, because I've never been that light ever in my life. Here it's not that light, as you can see, but no worries, this is light enough for the purple, so it's perfect. So but now we'll just wait until it dries, because I'm just going to let it air dry, because I don't want to damage my hair with any heat or anything. I've already damaged it enough with the bleach and everything, so I'm just going to let it rest and we'll see how it will be looking. 2 times of bleach done. My hair has been drying. It's not fully dried yet, but it's already looking pretty good. I think it's the perfect base for the purple. So I'm just going to go in with the purple and then we'll see what result we get. I'm kind of sad that I'm going purple because I'm actually kind of loving this color. I've been wanting to be blonde for a really long time. And I actually, like, right now I'm really laid, really happy with the results. So if I ever want to go for blonde, I know what to do, and then this is a perfect base to go before I go in with some blonde dye in. This is only after 2 bleaches. Like, I normally never get this light. I normally have to bleach at least 3 times before I can be this light. So I'm really surprised I'm this light after 2 bleaches. As you can see, my ends of the hair are really light, because that's from the last bleach that I did. So that was like 3 bleaches and then 2 bleaches on top. So this part is 5 bleaches. You can see the difference big time. Oh my god. And then my roots are looking very light. But yeah, we'll see when I put the purple dye in how it will be looking. My hair is also feeling really like, it's not feeling dry at all. It's feeling really healthy. I didn't fry my hair this time. Like, you can tell that I bleached my hair, but it's not that broken at all. It's in my hair now. Honestly, the dye is looking more blue than purple, but at some, like, here you can see the purple, but here it's really blue. It's looking really blue. Like, it's really confusing. I hope it's going to be purple. Like, it seems it's purple with a blue undertone. It's already too late on getting it out because look, it's not going away. I guess I'll be stuck with the dye on my skin. I read that I can take it out with some nail polish, so I'm going to try that out once everything is out of it, because right now, yeah, it's not going away. Oops. I really hope it's going to be close to Twitch purple, but yeah, we'll see. It's supposed to be purple. It's looking bright blue. Oh my god, guys, it's bright blue. I couldn't wait to see what color it was. I just dried my hair with this, and honestly, yeah, it's blue. It's blue. I've been blue for so long. I just wanted purple, and it's back to blue. Seems I cannot get rid of blue. Here is a very bright blue. Here it's a bit less bright blue, and then at the end it's back to bright blue. But yeah, it's not purple at all. At all. Nope. Nope. There's also some patchiness in, as you can see. Like, some places the color didn't take so well. I'm surprised by that, because normally this dye is always very good. Now the color I wanted, it's not purple at all. And I don't know what to do right now. It seems I just have to have a curse of blue hair. Yep, the curse of blue hair, guys. Like, there were some parts, like, the color just didn't want to take. Like, it doesn't matter how much color I put on it, it just kept on looking blondish. It just didn't want to take.
and those are these spots. Like the color was just not soaking in there. I don't know why. The more I look at it, the more I hate it, but also love it. So I don't know what to think about it. What a dilemma. I honestly have no clue what to do. Like I can put some red on it and then maybe it turns out purple, but then these parts are going to be probably fully red, right? If I wanted this color, it would have been good. But the thing is, since I promised my community that I would go for rich purple hair, I needed purple hair. How is hot purple this? This is not hot purple at all. This is just bright blue. It has been a few days now. I've brushed my hair now for about 3 to 4 times, and this is how it's looking right now. It's still very blue, it's not fading into purple or anything. I'm actually digging the color, honestly. I don't think I've had the shade of blue yet. It's like all kinds of different blue shades in my hair. Like this side, I'm really loving this side. It's like a whole water feeling, like the sea feeling. I don't know, it gives me mermaid vibes. I'm really liking this. I kind of want to change this, because this is not looking good at all. But except for that part, I'm really loving the color. Like the thing is, I just love blue hair, you know that. I've had blue hair for 3 years, so of course I love this color. But I promised purple, so I don't know what I'm going to do now. Like there is a purple tint in it, like don't get me wrong. You can see, like you can see the purple vibe in it, but it's too much to the blue side. My hair is like, no Gloozi, you stay blue because blue is looking good on you. You cannot go for purple. I'm still going to try to go for purple, don't get me wrong. But yeah, this was my attempt to go for purple and I failed. And I'm stuck with blue because I have a blue hair curse. Once I'm not happy with the color anymore, then I'm going to put some dye on it and try to make it purple. But until then, I'm going to keep this color because I'm really liking it. So yeah, right now we're back to blue, back to normal Gloozi. I hope you all liked this video. Give it a thumbs up if you like it. I'm sorry it's not purple. I'm sorry. Maybe next time it will be purple and then we'll have a new video of going to actual purple hair. Leave a comment down below what you think of the hair. I hope you enjoyed it and I'll see you next time. Bye. Love you all.